Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell crypto Exodus. First, ensure your Exodus wallet is open and you're familiar with its layout. We'll then walk through the process of selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. It's important to understand the conversion options available directly within Exodus or through integrated services. We'll cover how to initiate a sale and what to expect regarding fees and timing. Before you begin, make sure your Exodus wallet is fully updated to access all the latest features and security enhancements. Next, double-check that the exact cryptocurrency you intend to sell is present in your wallet. Sometimes, for certain coins or larger amounts, you might consider transferring your assets to a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange for better liquidity or more selling options. Now, let's move to executing the sale. You'll need to choose a reputable exchange or a service integrated with Exodus that supports selling your specific cryptocurrency. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided by your chosen platform. It's crucial to meticulously review all the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and receiving currency, before you finalize the sale to avoid any errors. After initiating your sale, closely monitor the transaction status until it's fully confirmed and settled. Remember that selling cryptocurrency can have tax implications, so it's wise to consult with a tax professional to understand your obligations. Also, for more great content and other deals, including how to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check the link in the description below. We appreciate you watching and hope this guide was helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.